This is again another Monacor product. It's called the MMX-4. Nice little packaging. As you open it up, you've got a user manual. You've got a 1/4" jack lead, and there's the mixer itself. It's we'll open it up. There's the MMX-4. It's a nice little mixer, small mixer. It's only a very cheap product, so I mean, perfect for mobile use. If you got small bands or karaoke performers, I mean, it's a great product. You've got your 4 inputs, and you've got your single mono output. It is a mic mixer, that's why it's a mono output. This unit doesn't come with a charger, so you can buy that separately. It is available at avmshop.co.uk. So yeah, nice little product.